Morning. Let's get a truck fired up here so it airs up. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little chilly this morning. There's frost everywhere. So that means I'm gonna have to truck this load of beans down, and then I'm gonna have a little time to kill while that frost burns off. But that's okay because of the fact that I need to go get the fuel trailer, fill it up with fuel, and actually fill the combine with fuel rather than just put in a few hundred gallons. But let's get this thing started so it'll air up. Whew, I must have slept on my neck wrong because I can't turn it to the left hardly at all, and it hurts turning to the right. It's hell getting old, I tell you. That load is chucked in, so now I gotta go out to the field, get the fuel tank, come back, put fuel in the fuel tank, and then go back out and fill the combine, which is fine. With the frost we had, it's melting off, but everything's still wet right now, so I've got a little bit of time. So now's the time to fill her with fuel and run a grease gun over the thing and give it a once over real quick. And then by the time I do all that, bring the fuel trailer back, it'll probably be time to fire the semi up and head back out there. Got the fuel trailer. Now I gotta take it back to the farm and get fuel in it to bring it back to the combine to put fuel in the combine, and then probably take it back to the farm because I gotta go get the semi. But in the meantime, I am just flat starving today. I don't know what it is. I mean, like, I am like extremely hungry. So I grabbed a banana off the counter before I left this morning. I'm gonna eat that, but I have a question for you. How do you eat a banana and still look like a man? I mean, I guess a hot dog's the same way too. How do you eat a hot dog and look like a man? Those are kind of the thought that runs through my head, that kind of crap. I'm not gonna lie, I probably lost a couple subscribers with that comment or that clip, right? We are up, back, and running. So hopefully I can get this farm done today. I got a little chunk over there behind the woods to do, another chunk over here behind the woods to do, and I've got the, I don't know, maybe half of the big field left to do here. You know, it just dawned on me. It's been a long time since I've done some action shots of the combine. So why don't we do that? We'll do some action shots of the combine working in the field, and we'll put some of that cheap YouTube music to her and go from there. that last clip, my tabby thingy on my magnet mount broke. And yes, that is the technical term for it. I looked it up. I ended up getting more done tonight than I anticipated. I got that field that I was in done, moved tonight, went through another field, got that farm done. The next farm I'm moving to, I cannot be on it tomorrow. Tomorrow is November 15th. It's opening day of gun season for deer in Michigan. And the guy that's in charge of that property does not want me on there, so him and his buddy can hunt all day. So Thursday, the 16th, he says, I'm fine, I can get on there and cut. They just, opening day, they don't want me on there. So, the trailer that's hooked to the truck right now is not full. So in the morning, I think what I'm gonna do is drop that trailer, hook up to the full trailer, haul that load in, come back, swap trailers back again, and then kind of just park everything. And I think I might just actually go hunting tomorrow afternoon / evening myself. Just kind of relax and at least hunt tomorrow night. And then Thursday we can hit it hard again, cutting beans. And hopefully that leaves me with 40 acres over there to cut, and then I come back to the home farm here and cut 4 acres. So I've got about 44 acres left to cut. I'm hoping I can wrap all that up on Thursday before the rain on Friday. But who knows? There might probably be something happen. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.